I am Professor Vinster, and welcome to Jurplastic World.
Professor Vinster here. Yeah, this is something I've been talking about for a while. And inside this package here is 2 bits. Comes with 4, but I've got them in the other tools around the shops and outside where I use them all the time. So these units here are not only a drill, but they're also a tap. I don't know which camera's better. There they are there. Now, when I looked these up online, because I needed something that could go through plastic, go through steel, aluminum, and these are what I found. So I actually put it inside my drill unit here. For some reason, this guy is really tight. That's okay. Yeah, I don't know why that one's so tight. Let's pull that back out. See what's going on here. Oh, if I can get it out. That's weird. Let's try the other one. Never had trouble like that before. Oh, there you go. This one must have a burr on it. Stuff happens. All right. So anyway, that's the unit there in the drill itself. So I don't know if you can see that there. There it is. And what I use them for is, this is a frame from an RC truck that I'm working on that I made extras because, excuse me, got a bit of a growl in my throat or in my voice. This is where the suspension goes on. But anyway, these holes that are already pre-drilled in here. Now, you could take this unit here, sure it's going the right direction, and you can drill them out to actually pre-tap them. And then we can put in the bolt, which in some cases, go. That way, I don't know if you can see that. Should be able to see that there. That way we can thread this in. Instead of putting a nut on it, we can thread that in. And if you can see that, that's quite the thread. Now we don't want it loose. We don't want it too tight. There it is coming through. Okay, so you can bolt them together with that. That way you don't need a nut. But when you're putting something together like this and it's threaded on both sides, you got to make sure they get threaded at the very same time. Like if I was going to put this to this, I would have to make sure that that is actually threaded to it at the exact same time that that protrudes out. Now I should have cleaned that up a bit, of course, after the thread. But here we go. We just pull it back out again. These ones are already pre-threaded, so these should just slide basically almost in. So they could, yeah, so they're not threaded, but I can go ahead and thread them. Now, you do it a couple times. And okay, so we'll try another one here. Let's move this over here. Unit. Make sure it's going the proper direction to do the thread, which is very important. When it touches, just take your time. Go back out. Cleaned it up actually. go. We'll use this one just to clean it up. The outside. Here we go. The whole idea is to keep the new thread straight. And away we go. Now, probably shouldn't be doing this, but I'm going to do it anyway. Because I'll probably end up breaking that or something. Yeah, I don't want to do that. Don't want to do that. Put that back like that. Put this back on here. I like thin metal. It depends where it's made, what kind of alloy it is. And there you go. So you can truck this in. And yeah, pretty strong. Like, I mean, I'm not reefing on it, but there we go. And there you go. Now you don't need to put a nut on it, but if you're attaching something to the side here or whatever. But anyway, that's what I wanted to show you, how it worked. And these things are great. Like I said, you can get them online. Pretty inexpensive. I think I paid $14 or something for 4 of them. And if you're using them in steel all the time, then you'll probably end up going through, who knows, they may break, they may not break. It depends how hard you are on them, through aluminum. And so there you go.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.